Welcome students. Now we will start a next problem set, that is 40. Now in this you have to write the given in decimal fraction. The fraction is given, you have to write in a decimal form. Okay, means 2.5. 2.5 can be written as 2.5. Half means 1/2. Here you can see that half means 1/2. A quarter means 1/4. Means suppose here if this is one chapati, okay, this is one chapati, then half means it will divide into two parts. Divide into two parts means 1/2. Okay, if we will see, if we will take three parts means here how many parts the chapati is divided? It is divided into 4 parts. Okay, then 3/4 means here if we will write here, this is half. Okay, now if you want here 3/4, that is 3/4 means 3/4 means total 4 parts. 3/4 means 3/4. 1/4 or a quarter. Okay, 1/4 or a quarter is 1/4. Okay, clear? Now in this 2.5. 2.5 means 2.5. Okay, now here we will write the first one. Problem set 40. 2.5. 2.5 means 2.5. Half can be written as 0.5. Half can be written as 0.5. That is 2.5. Or we can write as 2.50. Okay. Now here the next one. What is here? 2.25. 2.25. Quarter means 1/4. Then here we will write 1/4. 1/4 means 2.5. Okay, that is 2.25. What is a half of 50? That is 25. Then we want here quarter, that is 2.25. Now the next one, 2.75. 2.75. That is 2:3/4. Then 3/4 means 3/4. 3/4 means 75. Okay, half means 50, quarter means 25, and 3/4 means 50 plus 25, that is 75. Okay, here it is given. Clear? Then this you have to write in your notebook. A quarter means 0.25, 3/4 means 0.75, and half means 50. Clear? Now the next one, 10.5 means 10.5. Okay, 14.75 means 14.75. Okay, now the remaining you have to solve. Here I am writing here 10.5 means 10.25. 14/4 means 3/4 means 14.75. 16.25 means 16.25. Okay, and 18.5 means 18.50. Okay, now we'll see our next practice set, that is practice set 41. In this, first you have to convert the following fraction into decimal, and then after that add them. Okay, right. Problem set 41. 1.5 meter. 1.5 meter means, half means, just now I told you, half means 50. Here I am writing here, you have to convert 1.5 means 1.5. That is equals to 1.50 meter. We will write here unit. And 2.5 meter. 2.5 meters, 2 upon half. That is 2.50. Clear? Now it is converted into decimal. Now you add it. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. That is 0 and carry 1. That is when we will add, you will get here 4.00 meter. That is equals to, here we will write that is equals to 4.0 meter. Clear? Now see the next one. 4 and 3/4 rupees. Then 4 and 3/4 means 3 upon 4. 4 and a 3/4. That is 4.3/4 means 75. And you have to add here 7 and a quarter. 7 and a quarter means 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 means 25. Clear? Here we will write here meter, then meter. You will write here meter unit. Okay. Then 5 plus 5 is 0. Carry 1. Again 10. Carry 1. That is 11 and here 12. Okay. And I think here rupees is given. Sorry, it is in rupees. Then we will write here rupees. Okay. Means 4 rupees 75 paise and 7 rupees 25 paise is equals 12 rupees. Okay. Then here at the end we will write the answer, that is rupees 12. Is it clear? Now similarly you have to solve the third one. Now we will move to the addition of a fraction. Okay. It is a simple addition. That is 23.4. You have to add 87.9. Just add it. 9 plus 4 is 13. Carry 1. 7 plus 3 is 10 plus 1. That is 11. Carry 1. That is 11. Okay. Then your answer is 111.3. Now the next one, that is 35.74. You have to add here 816.6. Okay. Just keep in your mind, before decimal the decimal point will come. Okay. Don't get confused. Okay. Your decimal point will come exactly below that. Okay. Now add it. This 6 can be written as 60. Now 4 plus 0 is 4. 7 plus 6 is 13. Carry 1. 5 plus 6 is 11 plus 1, that is 12. Then you have 5. And this one is 8. Then your answer is 852.34. Clear? Now see the third one. 6.95 plus 74.88. Just now I told you, if this below decimal we will put here decimal point. Now add it. 5 plus 8 is 13. Carry 1. The here it is 18. Carry 1. 10 plus 1, that is 11. And here that is 81.83. Clear? Now similarly solve the fourth one. Now the next one, in the next one, centimeter and centimeter, meter means here you have to add the quantity. Okay. Now the third ka first one, what is that? 51.4 centimeter and 68.5 centimeter. This is same as the previous one. Only difference here units are given. Clear? Now we will write here unit. 5 plus 4 is 9. 1 plus 8 is 9. 5 plus 6 is 11. Okay, then your answer is 119.9 centimeter. Clear? Now the next one, 94.7 meter. 1738 point. Now here 4 5. Okay, then this we will write as 70 meter. We will 0.7 can be written as 70, and here we will write here 45 meter. Now add it. 0 plus 5 is 5, 7 plus 4 is 11, plus 1, 12 plus 1, that is 13, again 13, here 18. Then your answer is 1833.15 centimeter. That is in meter. Okay. Now again similarly you have to add for rupees. Okay. Now for rupees, just check here, third one. Rupees 5,158.75 and 841.25. 5 plus 5 is 0. Carry 1. Here it is coming 10. Then 0. Carry 1. Here again 10. Carry 1. Again 10. Carry 1. Carry 1. Then your answer is rupees 6,000. Clear? Now we'll move to the next one. That is the last practice set. In this we will subtract. This is similar as the we did in the addition. Okay, similar process we will follow here. What is the first one? 25.74 minus 13.42. Okay. Now 4 minus 2 is 2. 7 minus 4 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Then your answer is 12.32. Now see the next one. 206.35, 160.22. We subtracted 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 minus 2 is 1. Now here 8 can't be subtracted from C, then we will take from here. It will take from here, then this will become 1, this will become 10, from 10 it will become 16, and here it is 9. 16 minus 8 is 8. 9 minus 6 is 3, and 1 minus 1 is 0. Clear? Now similarly you have to solve the remaining sums, okay, as you are doing the subtraction. Now we'll move to the word problem. Okay, Vrinda was 1.48 meter tall. After a year her height became 1.53 meter. How many centimeter did her height increase in a year? Means at first his height was 1.48 meter. After 1 year his height become 1.53. Then we will to calculate here the increase in her height. Okay. Then what we will do? We will subtract 1.48 from 1 meter and 48 centimeter from 1 meter 53 centimeter. Clear? Then as it is a word problem, we will write here the statement. First 153 meter is equals to, sorry, not 153, here 1.53. 1.53 meter is equals to, when you will convert it into centimeter, we want answer in centimeter, then we will convert it into centimeter. That is 153 centimeter. In 1 meter there is 100 centimeter. Clear? And 1.8 centimeter. Now subtract it. That is 13 minus 8 is 5. Okay, and here it is 0. Then her height increased by 5 centimeter. Then at the end we will write the answer. That is whose? That is Vrinda. Vrinda's height increased by 5 centimeter. Clear? With this, this chapter is over. Clear? Bye.